Good morning everyone. Myself Sumit Kumar Sahu, PGT Computer Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya Babina Kent. In today's video, we will discuss about the topic Digital Society and Netizen. Anyone who uses digital technology along with internet is a digital citizen or a netizen. Being a good netizen means practicing safe, ethical and legal use of digital technology. A responsible netizen must abide by net etiquettes, communication etiquettes and social media etiquettes. So first we will discuss about the net etiquettes. What are the net etiquettes? We follow certain etiquettes during our social media interactions. Similarly, we need to exhibit proper manners and etiquettes while being online. One should be ethical, respectful and responsible while surfing the internet. So first is be ethical. What is the meaning of be ethical? It means that no copyright violation. We should not use copyrighted materials without the permission of the creator or owner. As an ethical digital citizen, we need to be careful while streaming audio or video or downloading images and files from the internet. And second is share the expertise. It is good to share information and knowledge on internet so that others can access it. However, prior to sharing information, we need to be sure that we have sufficient knowledge on that topic. The information shared should be true and unambiguous. Also, in order to avoid redundant information, we should verify that the information is not available already on the internet. Now second point is be respectful. So first is respect privacy. As good digital citizen, we have the right to privacy and the freedom of personal expression. At the same time, we have to understand that other digital citizens also have the same rights and freedoms. Our personal communication with a digital citizen may include images, documents, files, etc. that are private to both. We should respect this privacy and should not share the images, documents, files, etc. with any other digital citizen without each other's consent. So this is the second point about be respectful. Now third point is be responsible. Avoid cyberbullying. Any insulting or degrading or intimidating online behavior like repeated posting of rumors, giving threats online, posting the victim's personal information, sexual harassment or comments aimed to publicly ridicule a victim is termed as cyberbullying. It implies repeatedly targeting someone with intentions to hurt or embarrass. Perhaps new or non-frequent users of the internet feel that things done online have no reflect in the real world. We need to realize that bullying online can have very serious implications on the other person, victim. Also remember, our actions can be tracked back using our digital footprints. So this is about the net etiquettes when we interact socially. Now we will discuss what are the social media etiquettes. In social media etiquettes, first point is be secure. So first is choose password wisely. It is vital for social network users. News of breaching or leakage of users' data from social networks often attracts headlines. Users should be wary of such possibilities and must know how to safeguard themselves and their accounts. The minimum one can do is to have strong and frequently changed passwords. Never share personal credentials like username and passwords with others. Second is be reliable. As we upload almost anything on social network, however, remember that once uploaded, it is always there in the remote server even if we delete the files. Hence, we need to be cautious while uploading or sending sensitive or confidential files which we have bearing on our privacy. Now, the third point is communication etiquettes. In communication etiquettes, first we will discuss about be precise. We should not waste precious time in responding to unnecessary emails or comments unless they have some relevance for us. Also, we should not always expect an instant response as the recipient may have other priorities. Second is be polite. First was be precise, second is be polite. Whenever the communication is synchronous, happening in real time, like chat, audio, video calls, or asynchronous, like email, form post, or comments, we should be polite and non-aggressive in our communication. We should avoid being abusive even if we don't agree with the other's point of view. Third communication etiquette is be credible. What is the meaning of be credible? We should be cautious while making a comment, replying or writing an email or forum post, as such acts decides our credibility over a period of time. That is how we decide to follow some particular person's forum posts while ignoring posts of others members of the forum. On various discussion forums, we usually try to go through the previous comments of a person and judge their credibility before relying on that person's comments. So this is all about the digital society and netizen. Thank you.